sometimes regarded as the fourth side, but they've got class throughout, haven't they, the Lions?
Yeah, obviously a big, heavy pack, but they've also got some sharp wingers, some sharp backs, so she's the manager.
This game becomes more crucial. 3 games on the bounce now. We've got Leinster and 2 games against the Welsh region. So this is a big game for you now.
Yeah, exactly. Every next game is a big game. Look, we want to win every game. So this week we're just focusing on the Lions.
Obviously, World Cup has come over. There's a new cycle. There's a fresh start. In terms of your attributes, what would you say? Scrummaging prop, but are you around the park? How would you sum your game up?
First things first, my scrummaging. That's my strength. But I also like getting on the ball playing and carrying. So yeah, a bit of both. Because
there aren't many options at tight end. It's a niche position, isn't it? So you can really create an impression there, and who knows where it'll take you.
Yeah, it's a specialist position, but there's lots of great tight ends around, and I'm just focusing on playing for the Scarlets and putting my best foot forward.
Obviously, your younger brother's involved as well. What's the competition like? And I think he's playing in the Premiership at the moment.
Yeah.
How things going? How things going with him as well? Yeah.
Yeah. So he's playing for Carmarthen Quins at the minute, but we train against each other. I've just come off the back of a live unit session against him, and it's good competition.
Does it spur you on? Yeah. Is that?
Obviously it's my brother, so there's rivalry with anyone, but I like going up against him. Try to get one over on each other.
There seems to be a wave, a new generation coming through that are same age as well. Does that help the likes of yourself coming through, that was quite a young player?
Yeah, there's a lot of young, between 20, 25-year-olds coming through, and there is a close-knit feel about it. We're all the same age, we're all the same interests, I think we're a lot tighter. So hopefully that shows out on the pitch in the next couple of weeks.
Going back to yourself, was there sort of anyone you looked up to in your position when you were younger, and someone that you think, you try to aspire to in the same way?
When I was younger, I was watching the Wales games, going to the Wales games. So Adam Jones, when he was playing, but I don't really look up to anyone now, like a specific someone, but I do, when I watch rugby and other people in my positions, I like certain stuff about people's games and learn and try to take bits of their games what they're doing and see how I can add it to my game.
It's interesting you said, first and foremost is the scrummaging. Do you think that it's almost becoming full circle, because obviously the expectation on props now are far different to what they were? You anchor the scrum over the ball in the loose, carrying. But do you think there's the fact that you've got to lock the scrum first and foremost, that is your bread and butter, I suppose? Yeah,
exactly. It's our bread and butter. So I think it goes through phases a bit. Obviously, we are expected to do a lot more around the field, but then when you can see in games, when you don't get your scrum right, it totally changes a game, and then there's sort of a bit more focus on, right, just get your set piece right, don't worry about anything else, maybe, but just having a constant really in both and making sure that is the forefront of my game.
And with pressure being on squad sizes now, they've obviously been cut due to various different factors. For yourself, it's just trying to get a run consistently now over a period of time.
Exactly. Just trying to stay in the jersey as long as I can. There's still great competition in the squad, so everyone is still fighting for position. But there is also a lot of games coming up, so we've got 12 on the bounce now. So it's just exactly putting your best foot forward.
Can I just ask you about last weekend? How much you enjoyed the experience of being at Cardiff there?
Yeah, I loved it. Obviously, you see the match day experience of the Six Nations and the Principality, and it's bouncing, and last weekend, just being a part of that against Barbarians was amazing to experience that.
And in terms of, did you still have to do the normal post-match stuff? Did you have to read a song out?
No singing, no cap, no
Are you happy
singing.
with that? Yeah.